A decision about a state gun law is now in the hands of the Florida Supreme Court. Florida law bans local governments from enacting gun regulations. The law also says local politicians can be fined or removed from office for exploring gun control measures. 10 Tampa Bay reporter Liz Crawford joins us. And Liz, you've been covering this since the lawsuit originated in 2018. Walk us through it.
Well, this can get complicated, so let me first explain how we got here. After the Parkland school shooting left 17 people dead, some city and county lawmakers felt state gun laws weren't good enough, but their hands were tied. And that's because of a 1987 law that gave Tallahassee sole control over gun laws. Then, in 2011, state lawmakers made that law even stricter. And as it stands now, a local politician trying to change gun laws in their municipality could be fined or even removed from office. So fast forward to 2022, and it's this part of the law that personally punishes local lawmakers being taken up by Florida's highest court. Agriculture Commissioner Nikki Fried and a coalition of local governments, including the city of St. Petersburg, are fighting against the 2011 law, saying it violates legal immunities for local governments. Now, in 2018, we actually saw this play out in Hillsborough County. Then County Commissioner Les Miller filed a motion to ban assault weapons, even though it violated state law and he could have been removed from office. The motion went nowhere and he was never punished. Today, Miller told me he believes some of his colleagues refused to second the motion because they were intimidated by state law. So after legal back and forths for years, this is now in the hands of the Florida Supreme Court, and they could vote soon, but we might not learn about their decision for several weeks. Sometimes it takes several months.
Now, there are some state lawmakers who are calling for a special session on gun control. So, Liz, how does all of that fit into this?
You know, that's actually a totally separate issue, and quite frankly, it's unlikely to happen given the conservative makeup of the legislature. Governor DeSantis has also dismissed the idea, but I will say, you never know. Anything is possible. The Marjorie Stoneman Douglas Public Safety Act was passed. That was bipartisan support in 2018, and it was signed into law by Governor Rick Scott, a Republican.
Something that we will be watching for, Liz. Thank you.